Now, welcome back to the Cable Data Science Channel. Today is Tuesday, January 26, 2021. I'm getting rid of my flagship report. This is a report for the United States. Before I get started, I will go big shout out to all 72 of my subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you have an opportunity to maybe even be 73, 74, maybe even 75. You could be the subscriber that gets me three-fourths the way to 100 subscribers. Okay. Now, the second thing is very important. This is the number one thing I think a YouTube looks at, and that's views. So click that view button today. Okay, let's get those views up on a daily basis. And secondly, also as important, click on the share button. Click on the link that says that share the link and share the link to this report with one other person today. I know that you know at least one person who's interested in the COVID-19 numbers for the United States. Okay, so I'm just asking you one time this week, share this report. All right, so let's go and run the report for U.S. You see, unfortunately, U.S. currently has about 25.29 million deaths or cases and 421,000 deaths and change. You can see that the mortality rate is clearly trending back up. This 1.25% creeping up towards 2%. But in all honesty, 2% is not that bad. And you can see here deaths appear to be declining now, or cases are declining. You can see the same decline in the 14 moving average over here. Okay? Deaths appear to be flat. Okay, so what this means is if cases decrease and deaths increase, the gap between the two is going to narrow. Okay? And the narrower the gap, the higher the mortality rate for that day. All right? So it is a little misleading. Well, not really. It's not really misleading at all, is it? Just so even if these numbers decline and these numbers continue to go up or even flatten, the mortality rate is going to go up. That's why the mortality rate is a very general barometer or litmus test. You can see this. We're not seeing any decline in daily deaths. This is this week's deaths. Look at all these numbers back over here. This week's cases. So far, monthly cases for January are in second place. Okay, and monthly deaths for January are almost certainly going to pass December's deaths for the most COVID-19 deaths in a single month. So there is a little good news is that cases are declining. So I suppose declining cases can eventually lead to declining deaths, right? Okay. Okay. So thanks so much for your time, Dave. Before I let you go, don't forget to smash that like button. Very important. Let's make sure that YouTube knows that we're out here. Okay. And secondly, click on that share button. Share the link to this report with one other person you know that's interested in COVID-19 situation in Israel today. All right. Thanks so much for your time. We'll catch you tomorrow on another report.